Hi, my name is Vicky, and this is my video presentation for my ePortfolio. I'm just gonna describe a little bit about what my ePortfolio contains. Basically, it's a lot of different type of documents and files and projects, assignments and assessments that I have achieved or worked with throughout the years. I think that the documents that I have on here really shows the skills that I developed academically throughout my courses and how I put them to use. Along with the display of my abilities, my work also provides viewers the accomplishments that were achieved through the met outcomes, such as applying coding, billing, records management, and scheduling skills to administrative healthcare industry standards. Practice professional interpersonal relations with diverse patients using knowledge of medical, legal, and ethical issues. Performing diverse administrative responsibilities, including management and processing of information, the organization and design of communication procedures, utilizing appropriate current technology and resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, and then communicate those findings into visual, written, or oral formats. Employing strategies for reflection on learning and practice in order to adjust learning practices for continual improvement, and following established methods of inquiry and mathematical reasoning to form conclusions and make decisions. So I'm just going to describe a little bit about how I met those outcomes. For using my coding and billing skills, I examined and reviewed different scenarios to determine patients' health conditions or diagnosis, to assign the appropriate diagnosis and procedure codes, and making sure that they are connected for proper billing claims. I use my knowledge of legal, medical, and ethical issues to research and structure an essay that presents a legal healthcare case that involves a malpractice suit against a doctor and centers on the controversy of legal and ethical concerns. With my medical knowledge, I research different diseases and then organize that information into a structure where it's a fact sheet. And on those fact sheets, it contains the causes of those diseases, signs and symptoms, diagnostic testing, treatments, and prognosis. I met the outcome of management and processing of information and organization and design of communication procedures through extensive research on health conditions for public awareness. By organizing the information found using research, I structured that information into a manner where I can present it to a public audience, not just public audience, but the public community, providing them information such as statistics, causes and risks, healthy living tips, the different types of tests, treatments, and outcomes. My job proposal that I have created throughout some of my courses suggested the implementation of the use of the patient portal. And I also have a professional plan that shows how I utilize appropriate current technology, the internet, and resources such as resources to locate and evaluate information, meaning that even though there's so many information, these are the type of skills that are really essential because I have to use those skills to tell the difference between which source is reliable and which is not. I also, in my professional plan, I also use research to compare information to determine the different career choices that would be the best fit for me. And this displays the development of my resource evaluation skill. My ePortfolio is not only a tool for displaying my work and showing that I have met the outcomes of my institution, but I also consider it a tool for self-reflection on my growth and improvement over time. Thank you for watching my video.